Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow other players to view on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and tap on this more button, this three dots button on the right side of the screen. Then click on settings. After that, at the top of the screen you can see this options button, which is the third one. Tap on it. Then scroll down to the second part where you can see Monarch Gear settings. And within this section you can see the allow other players to view feature that you can turn on by tapping on this button on the right side, and now it has been enabled. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.